If you guys have a 15 to 19 Chevy Silverado or a Sierra HD and you guys want to upgrade those terrible side markers that you have on your vehicle, this video is for you. I'm going to show you the XB LED side markers from Morimoto. They're an incredible product. They're way brighter than your original lights, and assuming that you guys have moisture or condensation in your lights or they're just not working at all, this is going to be the best upgrade you can do for the back end of your vehicle. These marker lights come in a kit, and they have 2 amber lights that'll go in the front of your wheel well, and then 2 red lights to replace the backside markers. So the colors are going to be the exact same as before, but they are way better, they are way brighter, and they are much more intense. They're going to keep you a lot safer when you're driving down the road. People are going to see that you are indeed driving a dually. When they're off, they look smoked, so during the daytime, they are way better looking than your original lights. The best part is, if this is your work truck, they are UV-coated polycarbonate lenses, so they're gonna last a very long time. They do have a 2-year warranty as well. They have an OEM Plus look, so they don't look out of place on your vehicle. The best part is, they are plug and play. I'm gonna show you guys how to install it now. Behind the factory marker light, press the release tab down and pull out on it to separate the connectors. Pry the marker light off of the fender. It uses a press clip, so it can be pried off gently. Pry the release tab up to pull the factory press clip off the connector. This clip will be reused. Press the side tab to release the stock side markers. The side markers then removed from the front. Remove and transfer the stock foam gasket to the new Morimoto marker light. Install this light in the reverse order. Do the same thing on the back, and then the same thing on the other side, and then you're good to go. Now, as you can see, it's super easy to install these side markers, and they do have a 2-year warranty, but I suspect that they're gonna last a lot longer than that. Guys, if this is your personal work truck, I do recommend upgrading your headlights as well. We have Morimoto XB LED lights that we have tested for this truck, and they were a huge improvement over your halogen lights. So if you're interested in that or anything else that we have tested for your truck, go to headlightrevolution.com, type in your year, make, and model, and we'll show you guys everything there.